Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Tuesday, December 9th. Great day today. If you were in the chat room along with the other 80 people, then you knew what was going on, what to trade, and how to make some good money. All right. As you saw from the afternoon video, that we did very, very well on several stocks, but what we're going to do is just take a look here at Netflix and see what's going on here. The bridge is built. I mean, we have a nice little bridge going on. And what's next for this? Well, right now, after it broke that consolidation box that I just deleted, you can see what happened. It really just took a tumble. Relative strength index is 35. There's really no sure direction yet because your moving average is still kind of crossed down. You got a little bit of a spike on the relative strength index itself. Well, the other indicators are starting to level off a little bit here, especially after the buying coming into it. Your derivative oscillator has moved up to the upside a little bit, and your true range, your average true range has started to turn up. So we could have something going on here. We picked this up at the low today, and which was a great pickup. I think it's about $12 from the low today, somewhere in that area. So the calls are doing very well on this. Right now, though, there's going to be a couple things that are going to get in your way, and you want to make sure you pay attention to it. So, you can work this downtrend right here, and you can see that there's going to be resistance now. Okay, so there's two real downtrends here. There's a short term, which is these few candles right here, and then there's a longer term, which is going to be, I'll show you, which is going to be off this higher candle. And like this, okay, but this one's going to stay more true. This one will fill the gap if we can get to this one, and then here's the gap right here. So that's the other area that you need to stay focused on, is that we have this gap right here, and there's a lot of territory from 330 to 430. You get a $100 move here, and now it's just planning that move and trade to make sure you can maximize it. So, we had the nice double bottom right here. As I said, if it didn't hold this one, it's going to come down and do this one. And it didn't hold that one, so it came down and did this one. I don't think we have a full reversal yet. We're going to have to wait and see, because right now on the daily, we could have a potential bounce. If we get over this, then we're going to start moving up to the 360 first, which is going to be the middle Bollinger Band, and then your 50-day moving average. But you're going to have a lot of resistance underneath these candles also. But eventually it could break through if it's going to the upside. But your key here is to take a look at your weekly next, okay? So if you look at your weekly, this thing looks like junk. We'll remove these here. Still looks like junk, and it's not ready to turn yet. You can see everything is just still down low, but we could change it. We could definitely change it. We could have this move right here, okay? Because that's what we did here. So I would anticipate something like this to reset some of these indicators, but generally you could see that we're definitely in a downtrend, and once that gap's filled, it's going to stay similar to this and not go over that. But once the gap's filled, then it'll be fine. So that's the true pattern on this. But look more importantly here. First, let me show you. We bounced right off the 100-day moving average this time. Okay, so it had a double support, had support here and support here. This is why you use all your charts, your weekly, your monthly, and your daily, so you could see what's going on and catch these right. Now here's the issue. You are under the middle Bollinger Band, okay? Very bearish, and that's at 358, so where the resistance is there. And remember, this is the monthly, so we're only 9 days into the month so far, and only a few of those were trading days. But you can see how everything is heading down, all right? But this candle, huge volume selling. This one, not so much. And this one we can't really tell yet. We'll have to see what's going to happen, but we could get a reversal to the upside. Who knows? So your middle Bollinger Band is 359, okay? Now, if we go back to our daily, excuse me, and we get up to this gap, okay, the gap's at 433, I think 439. I'm sorry, let me go back to the monthly, double check this again. It is at, all right, 356. Okay, and 356 is up in this area, right here. So we'll just pin this here for now. Okay, so we potentially could make this move this month fill this gap, and then come back down. I don't think it gets over. I think we're going to get this gap filled, okay, and then head back down again. But we're going to have to wait and see how this is going to play out, because right now you can see the monthly is very ugly. The weekly has a little bounce off the 100-day moving average, and we have a double bottom right here. So you get a lot of support going on right here. It's just a matter of what happened next. So make sure you're in the chat room with us, and you could trade this like the wind, because it's very, very lucrative, and we do it all the time, all right? And this is the only chart I'm going to do for tonight. This is going to be your chart of the day. Analyze it, enjoy it, trade it, and join us live tomorrow. All right, it's the beginning of the week, and we're already making thousands of percents. It's that simple. All right, milestonecapitalgrowthportfolio.com. We will see you tomorrow as a member. Click on the link. Lifetime membership, $6.99, ending soon.